The man opens up. When he really opens up, don't you use what he said when he was open to prove a point when you want to win an argument. You will never hear the full story from us ever again. And we'll start to say stuff like this. How are you? Good. I ain't good, but I just ain't telling you. Women, let me tell you something. Men are not emotionless. We have deep emotions. We just don't know how to express them. And let me tell you, if you make us feel unsafe, you'll never hear from us again. If I tell you something in a moment of vulnerability and you use it against me in an argument, you can forget me talking to you forever. Oh, Lord. And you keep talking about he quiet, he's shut down, he's in his man cave, he won't open up. It's because when he did open up, you shut the door on him.
Is he lying, though? I don't think so. And these women wonder why their men don't open up to them. And that's a fact. Peace to E-Man67 for bringing this to the forefront. But I had to chime in on it.